fault of your own. You were born with a withering tone, and through no fault of your own, you were born. And on the day when the teacher asked us, what do you want to be when you grow up? You stood up and said, what I want doesn't get, and you proved it. And while you're out on the town, making people impress you, I sit and rot at home. I've been kept at arm's length with industrial strength from the word go. So I don't have to tell you I don't go. Just for a second, you lower charter fences and confess what the world is kept. Deep down I fear I might actually be unremarkable. Just for a second, you lower charter fences and confess what the world is kept. Deep down I fear I might actually be unremarkable. Well, my dear, I have spent years just waiting for this moment, 'cause I'm afraid of being alone, and I'm afraid of being not alone. But fun with you sounds too much like hard work. Love with you too much like hard work. And the truth is unfurled, I'm not part of your world, which is fine, because you're not far.